Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we start this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe as it would really help us bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collectors and help us grow. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Tomica Premium Ferrari Dino 246 GT in regular and first edition. Let's open them up. So I did an unboxing already earlier on the channel of the Tomica limited vintage model of this exact car. However, in the white version, so we're gonna see how it stacks up compared to Tomica's premium line. We got the Ferrari branding right there, official product serial number. That nice little reflective sticker. Number 13 of the set. Right off the bat, it already feels a lot larger. This is not a 1/64 scale for sure. This is a, yeah, you see that 1/61. So it's slightly a little bit larger than the Tomica Limited Vintage model. However, I do have to say that the casting on this is really nice. Really nice. You still get the same plastic headlights at the top. You have the Dino badging right there in the front. Wheels are plastic, however, it's the exact same ones as the original. There's no rubber tires on these. It's not too bad, no opening parts, but for the price difference, it's a very comparable model. You have nice silver trimming all around the windows, nice details on that. You have painted taillights as opposed to little plastic hubs. A little disappointed they put plastic headlights but no plastic taillights, so they have a nice little muffler plastic down here. Pretty detailed undercarriage, not as detailed as the Tomica Limited Vintage, but again very comparable and very good for the cost. Yeah, a little detailed vent right in the front. 2018. Yeah. These, yeah, also have suspension. I was thinking maybe because it was a little bit lower, it might not have suspension, but they managed to put them in. Let's open the first version. A lot of people associate red as the color for Ferrari. However, one of the first colors that came out for Ferrari was actually yellow. And then red came out. But this I find absolutely looks spectacular in the yellow color. A lot of things pop out a little bit more, I guess, with the contrast. Though you have all the same details, but little minor details. You have the silver trimming right over there. You have some other decals for reflectors up on the corner. Yeah, let's see these side by side. Back. Yeah, they did a really good job for the price for the difference in price. There's not so much of a huge difference. However, model-wise, it looks very good for the difference in cost. You're talking about maybe a quarter difference in price. This you're looking at about between 10, let's say 8 to 12 US dollars compared to the Tomica Limited Vintage. You're talking about almost 40 to 45 US dollars. So very comparable for the terms and details that they come with it. The casting is almost identical, and Tomica on their premium line, they did a fantastic job on this, replicating the essential details for this nice Ferrari classic. That was our unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time to the channel, we would really appreciate if you please subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let us know which color was your favorite out of all this. Click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video, as it would really help promote this content to others such as yourselves. Never stop collecting. And as always, I'm Adrian, and we'll see you in the next one.